Hi everyone, I'm Zulkifli Asim, and this is my presentation for SourceFlow AI, an AI-powered supplier discovery and outreach application. If you ever source a product, whether you're running an e-commerce brand, a merchandising agency, or a manufacturing operation, you know what this looks like. You open Alibaba, then made in China, then global sources, then you search the web, you copy pasting supplier's name into spreadsheets, hunting for email addresses, buried on contact pages, writing the same inquiry email over and over again. A full sourcing cycle takes 3 to 4 hours, and that's before a single supplier replies. SourceFlow AI fixes this. We run 15 plus AI agents working in parallel, searching, ranking, extracting supplier contacts, and allows sending inquiries to these suppliers, all done in one platform. We have two pipelines: local search, which searches open web for local regional suppliers, and platform search that searches across B2B marketplaces for finding suppliers across the web. And it automatically finds contact information such as email, phone, inquiry form without any manual clicking, and also sends personalized inquiries via form fill or directly from your Gmail. This pipeline takes 2 to 5 minutes compared to 2 to 4 hours of workload. Now let's get started with the demo. Let me show you the full pipeline. Let's start with local search. I would like to search for customized keychains in Singapore. The moment I press discover supplies, we deploy multiple TinyFish agents running parallelly, scanning the web for quality web URLs and suppliers, and a mining agent that mines Reddit for real sourcing recommendation, all running simultaneously. We also rank the suppliers based on relevance, the number of employees, the type of service they provide, the type of certification they have as well. Now, TinyFish has found relevant suppliers for customized keychain and all the information that we need. Now, we want to contact them. All we have to do is press extract contact and choose the number of people that you want to extract contact on. And all you have to do is press find contact. Now, TinyFish agents, along with OpenAI, will be going through each of these web supplier and finding the contact details that we need, such as the website, company, inquiry URL, the phone number, and the email. Now that all three of the suppliers' contact information is found, we can easily contact them. We can press on contact supplier and we can search any type of message. For example, I want to search for 50 MOQ. Please include lead time. And then we can generate a message with AI. A proper professional inquiry will be generated with all the information that we need, plus additional information that we have inquired. And we can send an email, and we use Compass.io's Gmail automation service to send this email to the exact person. And once the email is sent, a confirmation will be done and dashboard will be filled up. Now let's proceed with platform search. Platform search deploys TinyFish agents and Playwright agents to Alibaba, made in China, and global sources simultaneously, pulling supplier profiles in parallel like a real human browser. Now let's look at the search result that I have searched before. I have searched for NFC keychains, and the contact information include the type, the overview of the company, the company type, the years in service, the relevance, the type of products they sell, and the contact information of the email and the contact form. Now we can simply contact the supplier using the same method as the local supply, and this time around we can use TinyFish agents to fill up the inquiry form for us. For the same here, we can fill up 50 MOQ and provide lead time, and we can generate the proper professional inquiry using AI, and then we can send outreach. And now we will be deploying TinyFish agent to do this particular inquiry form link, and the TinyFish agent will fill up the link for us. Now that the outreach is sent to the company, we can check the dashboard for all the suppliers that we have found and all the outreaches we have sent, and we can keep track of all the suppliers that we have contacted. Now, what's more for SourceFlow AI? Next, we will work on social media scraping to launch TinyFish agents to scrap LinkedIn, Instagram, and X for supplier leads, reaching recommended suppliers. And then we have SourceFlow Brain, which is a self-improving system that learns which scraping strategies works best for each platform, and then we improve the scraping strategies and goal setting with TinyFish. And then we also can have richer supplier profiles using and building a trust score before you make the contact. And then we can also have follow-up and replying agents that is able to detect and detect supplier responses and really track your supplier connectivity in each supplier that you have found. Thank you.